Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making banana bread. It's our favorite thing to eat over here. Emma and Eleanor will be joining me today as we make this banana bread. Emma and Eleanor, say hi to my camera.
Hi.
Hi. So today,
Emma, so we have all the ingredients set to make a banana bread.
ooh, what ingredients do we have to make our banana bread?
Brown sugar.
We have brown sugar. We have sugar.
And we have butter, lemon, eggs, and
bananas, and we have our flour. We have vanilla extract. We have ground nutmeg. We have baking soda. First of all, we're going to take our banana and we are going to mash it up, okay?
Can you eat now?
No, we cannot eat now. We have to mash. We have to mash the bananas, okay?
Why are you mashing the bananas?
Because we can't use the bananas without mashing them. This recipe is going to make a very yummy, moist banana bread. I'm just mashing it in this bowl. We're going to use the bigger bowl. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to... Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Is your legs hurting?
Yes.
Sorry. So we're going to mash our bananas until it's smooth.
Mama, why are you doing it?
We are mashing the banana.
Banana?
Yeah, we're mashing the banana. So
How many are
I'm going to transfer this into the bigger bowl. So this is our mashed bananas.
What's the next ingredient?
So the next thing we're going to add is sugar. We're going to add our sugar.
Adding the sugar.
Yes, we're going to add our sugar next, okay?
Then what are we going to use? My spoon.
And not yet. We're going to add the brown sugar. We'll add the brown sugar and then we're going to
Can I mix it?
Sure. Here you go. Keep stirring. Keep going. Mix, 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 mix. Keep going. Eleanor, what are you thinking? So, okay, Eleanor, can you mix? Good girl. Ooh, Eleanor is stirring, everybody. Thank you.
Now what is the next ingredient?
So the next thing we're going to add is our butter.
Butter.
Yes.
It's nice.
We're adding our 125 gram of butter. Butter.
Butter. Buttery. Mama,
Very buttery.
Mama, I want to eat waffles. That's my favorite. Mama, I like waffles.
So we've added butter. Now we need to add our eggs.
Eggs?
Yes, eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah. We're going to add our eggs.
1, I like that yellow thing.
That's the egg yolk. Mama has to mix it well. After mixing, we'll add our vanilla extract. Okay. Just add a little vanilla extract there. A little bit of ground nutmeg in here, just a little. Yeah, you can stir. And I'm going to add a zest of lemon to the mix.
I want to see the red. I want to see. Yummy.
Yeah, that's fine.
Can I mix it? Can I mix it, Mama?
Yes, and we'll mix.
Mix it.
Yeah, you will mix as well, Eleanor.
Mama, what is the first?
Keep going, keep stirring, 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 stirring. Now your turn.
Now this is the
Stirring, stirring. Emma, let's go in circles. Stirring, 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 stirring. Okay, we're done. So Mama has to stir.
Mama.
Now we're going to add our flour
Okay.
and our baking soda.
Let's mix.
We're mixing all our ingredients together.
Very oily. Can I taste?
This looks really good, right?
Can I taste?
Okay, taste you can.
Ooh.
Ellie, do you want to taste? If your finger, take a little.
Is it yummy?
Mix it up.
All the ingredients.
Yes.
It's yummy.
Of course you love it. Mama is doing all the work. We'll mix. We'll mix. Let's dance while we mix. We'll mix. We'll mix. We'll mix. We'll mix. We'll mix. 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 Yay! Mix, 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 mix. Awesome. Now we're going to prep our pan. The oven is already preheated, so we're going to prep our pan with butter.
Here.
With butter.
Banana bread.
Yes, we're baking banana bread. So we're going to prep our pan. I'm going to rub butter all around it, okay? So I'm going to wear my gloves to do that. So I'll wear this, okay? And I'm going to rub butter every corner of the pan where we're going to put our mix. Can you see what Mama is doing?
Yes.
Mama is applying butter everywhere. You're going to make sure the butter gets into every area of the pan, okay? So we've applied butter into our pan. We've prepped our pan for our banana bread. I'm taking out my glove and I'm going to just take the mix and pour it into the pan. So our banana bread mix is going into the pan. It's ready to go into the oven. Please note, don't be like me. Use a bread pan when you're baking your banana bread. So I set mine with whipped cream. It was so good. See how soft and moist the bread looks? Yummy. Hope you enjoyed watching me bake with my girls. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and also what would you like us to bake next. Don't forget to like and share with your friends, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.